Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to show you how you can use the latest DALL-E 3 AI art image generator. I guess that's what you call it. So, DALL-E 3 is currently being used by Microsoft Bing Image Creator. All right, so they use DALL-E 3 and you can use it for free if you have a Microsoft account. I do have a Microsoft account, and I'm fortunate enough to have 100 boosts to use so I can create images faster, generate images faster. So let's just type something here. I will put Goku and Vegeta chilling and press enter. Now it's creating right here. We'll just wait for that. These are my older. Uh, Now look at this. Doesn't this look amazing, man? Look at this. Goku and Vegeta chilling. They're sitting in like the top of like, I guess, a skyline. You can see a skyline in the back. They're just drinking. They're just talking, chilling. Look at this. Doesn't this look amazing? Let's look at the second one generated. This looks amazing. I mean, this is like two Gokus here. It's not really Vegeta. I just noticed that. It's actually two Gokus. Same hairstyle, same face. Yeah, it's not Vegeta. Oh, there we go. Now this is Vegeta. Wow, this is just amazing. This is great. They're eating, they're drinking, they're chilling. Yeah. So yeah, these two images are wrong. This one's on point. Now let me put Goku and Naruto chilling. Wait for that to create. As you can see, for me, it generates it pretty fast because I do have the boosts. As you can see, I have 98. Goku and Naruto chilling. Yeah, they're just having some ice cream on a park bench. Doesn't this look? Oh, wow, look at this image. This image looks amazing. This is just awesome. Now let me make it something complex. Goku and Naruto fishing, nighttime, moonlight. So Goku and Naruto fishing during the nighttime, and you can see like moonlight. Let's see what it comes up with. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at this one. Naruto's wearing Goku's clothes. This is just amazing, man. All right. What else should I generate? Once again, guys, this is DALL-E 3 using Bing Image Creator, and this is completely free. So let's see. How will New York look like in 3023, in the year 3023? Let's see what it comes up with that. Wow, okay. I guess this is what DALL-E 3 thinks New York is gonna look like in 3023. Very, very futuristic. Wow, look, it's still congested. There's still a lot of cars on the roads. I guess that's not gonna change according to DALL-E 3. Wow, it's amazing, man. Truly amazing. So yeah, guys, that is Bing Image Creator powered by DALL-E 3, and it's free. So if you want to get into AI, generative AI, check it out, guys. Have some fun. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys found this video informative. Take care, everyone. Peace.